Hi, this is Epic Designer. In this video, I'll be modeling modern master bedroom with rendering in REVIT. But before I get started, I would just ask you to subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. Okay, let's jump into it. So we are going to open project architectural template. So we are in our architectural template here. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll just use the tool, simple wall tool, and take a rectangular. Okay, just let me change the unit first. So I'll prefer working in millimeters. So I'll set the millimeter as my units. Click the wall and take a rectangular or whatever command you want to use and draw a layout of room here. Okay, so this is something uh, rooms look like, but it's too big. We have to be more careful about the size of the room, and it depends on the bed size and the furniture you want to place in the room, and of course cabinets. So for that I'm gonna use one bed family that I have already created. uh, so I will just upload that family into my room, and I will adjust my room accordingly. So let me set the bed family here somewhere. Okay, so what? Mm, okay, so now we need to adjust our room according to that. Okay, so because it's a master bedroom, so it's gonna be a little big than the average bedroom. So okay, so I think this wall need to be till here. Okay, I think it's fine here. So just go here and we will make this wall like, sorry, come here and we'll make a storefront. So it's gonna be looking something like this. Okay, so it's way too tall. So what we're gonna do is we will reduce the level height. So we'll make up to 2500. So it's 2.5 height, and it will get smaller. And for that, I just set the top constraint to level 2 for all the walls. So if we change the level for floor level, so that if these wall will come up and down with the levels. So we have, yeah, we have bed inside and we have the layout for our master bedroom. And now what we're gonna do is we will upload some families, furniture families for our layout. Okay, so just go to structure, component, load families. So we will just, yeah, so I'm gonna use the US Imperials. So I will just go to lighting, architectural, internal, and I have seen one stand-up lamp here. Okay, so I will just insert this here and place anywhere. Go to the family again, go back and go to the furniture, and I will just sitting, and we need one sofa here. So I will just, yeah, I like this one. I'll open and I'll, so something went wrong. I think bed deck sofa. Okay, sofa is there, but it was not coming. So we can bring that here like this. So we have a sofa. Go to the component again, load family, and come back here, and we need one table. So I'll use Yeah, yes, coffee table. And yeah, we have a coffee table here. So whatever coffee table you want, you can. So we will use a big one and we'll drag it down. So it's too big. So we'll change it. Okay, this is fine. We'll keep it here. And I think we will change our sofa also. We'll make it. Where is the sofa set? 84. So it's a little big one. It's a bigger than the older one. So what I'm gonna do is I will place these things here. I'll place this lamp in the corner and this table will be here. So we'll just make closer to the window, closer to the curtain wall, and then put the table in front of that. And we need one door here. We'll place one door for our bedroom. And now it's almost ready, but we need one TV. Okay, so you can go to component and load family, mm, and go back. In the furniture you'll find this TV here, and you can open up and put here, but we have already here, so I'll have to draw it from here. So we'll use the 46 inches TV and place anywhere. So we'll create one shelf for this and then we'll place this up. Okay, so I think we have done all the things here, and now we need to do the cabinet work. So it's gonna be a woodwork. So let's go to component model in place, go to the furniture and come here. Okay, so go to the extrusion. Yeah, set the plane, pick a plane and just set this plane and take a rectangular and draw a rectangular here. So width of the cabinet will be 600. So it's a minimum then. So we need one more line. We'll do -10 and create one rectangular here with the offset of 10 and just click yes. Go up to the end. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. We have created one. Okay. Yeah. Now we need a space for the TV. So what we gonna do is we will just align the bed and make a void in this cabinet. Go to the create extrusion and select the void here. Go to rectangular, set and pick a plane. Sorry, pick a plane here and just take a rectangular and just create a rectangular here. Okay, so I think that's it. Go to the level 1. I don't know. Okay, just finish this first and then go to the level 1 and we'll make a shaded view for this to check what is the problem here. Okay, so so we have already extrusion there, and now we need to just make a shelf to place the TV there. Okay, so once we have done this, go to the level 1. I'll just take a section uh, from here, go to the section and actually one what was we doing that we can start till here, go to the section and yeah, it's already aligned with the bed. Okay, so go to section and just create the section again from there. Go to section 1 and it should be 46 inches mean. so it's 900 mm. Just let me check what is the height. 788. Go to the 3D view, go the elevation. It's 788. It's going to be up, and we're gonna place this there. Okay, level 1, and it is going to be up here. And yeah, so I think it's fine. Go to the section 1, and yeah, it's 788 plus 799. So we're gonna have 10 shelf underneath, so we already give the space to that. So just go to section 1, select this model in place, create extrusion, and then pick a plane. Okay, so we are going to work on this plane. Select rectangle and select this corner and select this. So we will set this up to 10 mm. Okay, so we have done this. Just finish it. Go back, go to the 3D view and select that and drag it to the end of this. Yeah, so it's looking good. So go to the, okay, so we can create a, go to the section 1 and create extrusion, pick a plane, and we'll pick the again that plane, go to the void and select a one rectangular here, that going to be 10 mm. And yes, okay, so what, select the whole, copy it, and just make sure this should be a multiple, and then take a point and uh, put it on 500, and then again 500, and this is going to be a little big. 6, what, okay, 640, and again 6, just check what is the 700. So we need to reduce 640 60 mm from here. So go this, and then select again, copy, and it's going to be, yeah, 640 again, 640 again, and then so once going to be 500. Okay, so we have this one here. So we'll just take a align command whilst typing the key AL, short key. Select this, make sure this multiple alignment, and select the line, and then go to the point where which you want to align that. Okay, so we have aligned already. Okay, so select this, copy this, and just select under this. Okay, so just align again, AL, short key, and select the line, and then select that line which you want to align. Okay, so I think it's done now. So click OK, finish this, and go to the 3D view again, and then just a little bit inside this wall, and then drag it to them. So yes, okay, so yeah, it's just looking nice. So it's looking something like these are the cabinets. So now I think everything is ready, and we just need to, yeah, we just need to give the materials. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we just select this one, edit extrusion, and okay, sorry, go to here and yeah, select that and go to the material. And what we're gonna use is okay, wood, and then take a little dark color. So okay, I think it's a flooring. So what we're gonna use is cherry, a bridge glossy. Okay, so go here, select okay, and finish a smart. Go to the realistic and just check. Yeah, so we have already our, so one mistake I found here. So our sofa is on the wrong side, so just rotate it to get in the right side. Okay, so we need to give our this shelf material. So we'll go material again, and I think we need to give the same material here. And okay, so this is good. Yeah, I think okay. Just so what we're gonna do is we will give the material to this wall. Okay, just duplicate this wall, and we'll call this wall 1, and go here and come to this menu, and we have a bricks common. So just try it how it's look like, and go to the okay, yeah, yes, I think it's looking good here. And one more thing left, we need to create a floor. Go to the structure and go to the sorry, structure, and go to the slab, and select this, select the outer point, and then select this. So just click OK, go to the 3D view and just select that. Okay, just select this carpet. Okay, get into there and click OK, click OK, click OK. And yeah, so we have our carpet here as well. And now we can mm, take a view from here. And what we're gonna do is we can make, yeah, we can use this view or this view. We can use to view what our bedroom is looking like. Okay, so we will just go up here and take RR, and we will render it from here. Okay, so this is our room after rendering. It's a modern master bedroom. Uh, yeah, so it is looking something like this. Okay, I think this is it for this video. I will see you in next video.